Have you ever accidentally broken your favorite ceramic mug or that beautiful vase you just couldn't part with? Or maybe you've been searching for the perfect adhesive to tackle a tricky ceramic repair project? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the world of ceramic adhesives to find the ultimate glue for all your ceramic repair needs. We've tested and ranked 7 of the best glues on the market, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one deserves a spot in your toolbox. So stick around, pun intended, and let's get started. Number 7. Gorilla Super Glue Gel. Gorilla Super Glue Gel is a popular adhesive known for its thick, no-drip formula, making it ideal for vertical applications and precise repairs. Its quick-drying nature with a bonding time of 10 to 45 seconds is particularly appealing for users looking to complete small projects efficiently. The anti-clog cap with a metal pin ensures the glue remains fresh and reusable, which is a thoughtful feature for occasional users. However, during testing, Gorilla Super Glue Gel showcased some limitations. While it performs well on smooth ceramic surfaces, its bond strength diminishes when applied to porous or uneven materials. This can be problematic for intricate ceramic repairs, such as textured pottery or decorative items. Additionally, though the gel formula prevents dripping, it can sometimes feel too thick, making it harder to spread evenly over larger surfaces. Another issue is its durability under stress. While the glue is marketed as impact tough, we found that repaired items subjected to frequent handling or minor impacts occasionally failed over time. Moreover, the product's relatively small tube size might not be sufficient for larger repair projects, leading to additional purchases. Despite these drawbacks, Gorilla Super Glue Gel remains a reliable option for quick fixes and smaller ceramic repairs. Its ease of use and precision make it suitable for light-duty tasks, but for more demanding applications, stronger adhesives may be necessary. Number 6. Loctite Super Glue Ultra Gel Control. Loctite Super Glue Ultra Gel Control is a step up in terms of versatility and durability. Its rubber-toughened formula provides excellent resistance to impact, shock, and temperature fluctuations, making it ideal for items subjected to daily use or outdoor conditions. The patented side squeeze design offers maximum control during application, ensuring precision even on intricate surfaces. During our tests, Loctite performed admirably on smooth ceramics and other materials like wood, rubber, and metal. Its gel consistency prevents dripping and allows users more time to align pieces before the glue sets. This feature is particularly beneficial for delicate repairs where precision is crucial. However, Loctite isn't without its flaws. The curing process can take up to 24 hours for full strength, which might be inconvenient for users seeking instant results. Additionally, while the bond is strong initially, the adhesive occasionally becomes brittle over time in environments with extreme humidity or temperature changes. This could affect the longevity of repaired items exposed to such conditions. Another minor drawback is its tendency to leak slightly when too much pressure is applied to the bottle during use. While this doesn't detract from its overall effectiveness, it can make cleanup more tedious than expected. Overall, Loctite Super Glue Ultra Gel Control is a solid choice for medium-duty ceramic repairs and offers impressive versatility across multiple materials. Its durability under normal conditions makes it a dependable adhesive for household fixes. 5. Araldite Heavy-Duty Epoxy Adhesive. Araldite heavy-duty epoxy adhesive stands out as a powerhouse in the world of adhesives. This 2-part epoxy requires mixing before application, but rewards users with an incredibly strong bond that can handle heavy loads and extreme conditions once cured. It's particularly effective on ceramics, but also excels on materials like metal, glass, and wood. One of Araldite's most notable features is its gap-filling ability. During testing, we found that it worked exceptionally well on uneven or broken ceramic surfaces where precision wasn't possible. Its water and heat-resistant properties make it suitable for outdoor projects or kitchenware repairs exposed to moisture or high temperatures. However, Araldite does require patience. The mixing process can be messy if not done carefully, and its curing time, up to 24 hours, might deter users looking for quick fixes. Additionally, while the adhesive forms a rock-solid bond once cured, any misalignment during application can be challenging to correct due to its permanent nature. Another consideration is safety. Araldite emits fumes during application that require proper ventilation and protective gear like gloves and goggles. This might not appeal to casual DIYers who prefer simpler solutions. Despite these challenges, Araldite heavy-duty epoxy adhesive remains an excellent choice for heavy-duty ceramic repairs where strength and durability are paramount. It's best suited for users willing to invest time and effort into achieving professional-grade results. 4. Gorilla Original Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Original Gorilla Glue is a polyurethane-based adhesive that has earned a reputation for its incredible strength and versatility. Unlike standard superglues, this adhesive expands as it cures, creating a bond that is not only strong but also capable of filling gaps. This makes it an excellent choice for repairing ceramics with uneven surfaces or missing chips. During testing, we found it particularly effective for larger ceramic items like planters, pots, and decorative sculptures. One of the standout features of Gorilla Glue is its water-resistant properties. It performs well in both indoor and outdoor settings, making it ideal for ceramic items exposed to moisture or weather conditions. Additionally, it bonds to a wide range of materials beyond ceramics, including wood, metal, glass, and even foam, adding to its versatility. However, there are a few challenges when working with Gorilla Glue. The expansion process can be difficult to control. Applying too much glue can result in excess foam seeping out during curing, which may require sanding or trimming after the bond sets. This makes it less user-friendly for precise repairs or intricate ceramic pieces. Another drawback is its longer curing time. While it sets in 1 to 2 hours, full curing can take up to 24 hours. Despite these minor inconveniences, Gorilla Original Gorilla Glue remains a fantastic option for medium to heavy-duty ceramic repairs. Its durability and ability to withstand harsh conditions make it a reliable choice for long-term fixes. Just remember to use sparingly and allow ample time for curing to achieve the best results. Number 3. Starbond Superfast Thin. Starbond Superfast Thin is a high-performance cyanoacrylate adhesive designed specifically for precision work. Its ultra-thin consistency allows it to penetrate the smallest cracks and crevices in ceramics, making it an excellent choice for repairing hairline fractures or intricate decorative pieces. During testing, we were impressed by how easily the glue flowed into tight spaces, creating an almost invisible bond. One of the most notable features of Starbond is its rapid curing time. When used with an accelerator, sold separately, the adhesive bonds almost instantly, saving time on projects that require quick results. This makes it especially useful for delicate repairs where alignment needs to be maintained without waiting for the glue to set. It also works well on other materials like wood, metal, and plastic, adding versatility to its application. However, its thin consistency can sometimes be a double-edged sword. While it's perfect for precision work, the runny nature of the adhesive can make application tricky if you're not careful. It's easy to accidentally apply too much glue or have it drip onto unwanted areas, which can be frustrating during detailed repairs. Another limitation is its bond strength on larger or heavier ceramic items. While Starbond excels at small-scale repairs, it may not provide enough durability for items subjected to significant weight or stress over time. Overall, Starbond Superfast Thin is a fantastic option for detailed ceramic repairs requiring speed and precision. Its ability to create seamless bonds in hard-to-reach areas makes it a valuable tool for intricate projects. Number 2. Professional-grade cyanoacrylate superglue. Professional-grade cyanoacrylate superglue earns its spot as the runner-up thanks to its exceptional performance across a wide range of applications. This industrial-grade adhesive is formulated to deliver both speed and strength, bonding ceramics and other materials like metal, wood, and plastic within seconds. During testing, we found that this glue consistently formed strong bonds even on porous surfaces, a feature that sets it apart from many other cyanoacrylate adhesives. One of the standout features of this glue is its precision applicator tip, which ensures clean and accurate application every time. This makes it ideal for repairing delicate ceramic items such as figurines or chipped dishware, where precision is key. Additionally, its versatility extends beyond ceramics. It's equally effective on household items like glassware and furniture components. While this glue performs exceptionally well under normal conditions, there are some considerations to keep in mind. Over time, exposure to extreme humidity or temperature fluctuations may cause the bond to become brittle. This isn't unique to this product, but is worth noting if you're repairing items that will face such conditions regularly. Another minor drawback is its relatively small bottle size compared to other adhesives on this list. While sufficient for most small to medium projects, larger repairs may require multiple bottles. Overall, professional-grade cyanoacrylate superglue strikes an excellent balance between speed and strength. It's a reliable choice for anyone seeking a versatile adhesive capable of handling various ceramic repair tasks with ease. At the top of our list is Pascofix Strongest Superglue, a product that truly lives up to its name by delivering unparalleled bonding power across all types of ceramic repairs. Whether you're fixing delicate porcelain figurines or heavy pottery pieces, Pascofix consistently outperforms competitors with its exceptional strength and durability. One of Pascofix's most impressive features is its ability to bond within seconds while maintaining long-term reliability under stress or impact. During testing, we subjected repaired items to rigorous conditions, including outdoor exposure and repeated handling, and Pascofix held up flawlessly every time. Its water-resistant properties further enhance its versatility by making it suitable for items exposed to moisture or humidity. Unlike many other adhesives on this list that struggle with porous surfaces or uneven materials, Pascofix excels in these scenarios thanks to its high-quality formulation. It works seamlessly on smooth ceramics as well as textured or chipped surfaces without compromising bond strength. The only potential downside of Pascofix is its price point. It's slightly more expensive than other options on this list. However, given its unmatched performance and reliability, we believe it's worth every penny for those who need professional-grade results. In conclusion, Pascofix Strongest Superglue stands out as the ultimate adhesive for ceramic repairs due to its superior bonding power, versatility across materials and conditions, and long-lasting durability. If you're looking for the best of the best when it comes to ceramic adhesives, this is undoubtedly the one. So there you have it, folks, the definitive ranking showcasing best adhesives tailored specifically towards tackling challenges posed by fragile yet cherished ceramic possessions alike.